Alright, so you've probably already looked at placing whole numbers on a number line and negative numbers on a number line as well, and being able to compare which number is bigger and which number is smaller. But sometimes decimals can be a bit trickier, so let's look at how we can compare and order decimals by using something super important: place value. When comparing decimals, the most important thing to remember is place value. Every number after the decimal point has a different place value. We've got tenths, then hundredths, and then thousandths. And so it goes on, of course. So let's look at a number as an example. Let's take the number 1.25. So the 1 to the left of the decimal point, that's our units or our ones. The next number that comes after the decimal point is the 2, and that goes in the tenths because we have 2 tenths. And then finally the 5 goes in the hundredths column, so we have 5 hundredths. So let's look at if you're comparing two numbers. Say we're comparing the number 1.25 and 1.3. So again, we use place value. We start on the left. So let's look at the first number, the units. And we can see in this case, both of these numbers have a 1 in the ones or units place. So we now move over to the tenths place. Now here you can see that 1.25 has a 2, but 1.3 has a 3 in that tenths column. So because 3 tenths is greater than 2 tenths, we know that 1.3 is the bigger number, even though it has fewer digits. Let's try one together. So let's compare 2.45 with 2.5. Have a little think about it, take a moment and see if you can notice what we do when we compare the digits. Okay, let's check. So both numbers have a 2 in the ones place or the units place, so we know those are the same. We move to the next column. In the tenths column we have a 4 and a 5, and we know of course that 5 is bigger than 4, so we don't need to go any further. We already know that 2.5 is the bigger number. We don't even need to look at that hundredths column. So remember, when comparing decimals, start from the left and move right, comparing each place value. If the digits are the same, just keep on going till you find that difference.